Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on Epic Games. Let's get started. Step 1, go to the Epic Games website. Open your browser and search for Epic Games on Google. Click on the first official link that appears. Step 2, sign in to your account. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your login details and sign into your Epic Games account. Step 3, redeem the code. Once you're signed in, click on your username in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Redeem Code. This will bring you to a page titled Redeem a Product. You'll see a field where you can enter the code that came with your game, DVD, or any Epic Games promotion. Just type or paste the code into the field, then click Redeem. And that's it, your code will now be applied to your account. I hope this quick tutorial helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.